It's Dr. Luella. So sa mukha ni Miss NC. Uy, biski nag... Hi! It's Dr. Luella's wedding and we're about to go. I'm done with my makeup. It's raining. We need to have umbrella. At my back is the Diwata. Kasamukan sa kong vlog. Okay! Let's go! Wait. Meron ba sa ko kadali, be? This includes my outfit for today. Nalibog ko kung saan ako ni. I think the other way around. Taas-taasan gamay. So this is my outfit for today. But kaon sa nato ang flower crown kay. Thank you Dr. William Moore for this outfit. This has been my favorite for every like nice occasion.